In today's video, I am going to teach you how to shoot fireworks from a crossbow in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To begin, make sure you have both of the items you need. You will need a crossbow and firework rockets. The crossbow must be ready in your inventory, and the fireworks must also be available so you can load them as ammunition. This method works by using the firework rocket in place of a normal arrow, which allows the crossbow to launch the rocket forward when fired. Start by equipping the crossbow in your main hand. This is the hand you will use to load and fire the weapon. After that, place the firework rockets in your offhand. The offhand slot is important here because it lets the game recognize the fireworks as the ammunition source for the crossbow. If the rockets are not in your offhand, the crossbow may try to use another compatible item instead. Once your crossbow is in your main hand and the firework rockets are in your offhand, hold the use button to load the crossbow. Keep holding the button until the loading animation is complete. At that point, the crossbow will be charged with a firework rocket and ready to fire. If you release too early, the loading process will not finish, so make sure the crossbow is fully drawn before moving on. After the crossbow is loaded, aim at your target. You can point at a mob, another player, or simply choose a direction if you just want to launch the firework into the air. Take a moment to line up your shot carefully, especially if you want the rocket to travel exactly where you intend. When you are ready, press the use button again to fire the loaded crossbow. The firework rocket will launch from the crossbow and travel in the direction you are aiming. If you want to fire more rockets, repeat the same process by keeping the crossbow equipped, leaving the fireworks in your offhand, loading the weapon again, and firing once more. This is a simple but useful mechanic in Minecraft, and once you do it a few times, it becomes very easy to repeat. As long as you keep the correct item setup, the process stays the same every time, and that is all there is to it.